Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today we're going to present our presentations about chapter 6 and 7, managing the business enterprise and organizing the business enterprise. Let me introduce our group member. My name is Asyh Puja Asyifa.
My name is Khadijah Raihan.
My name is Rio Jupanter.
So let's get into the explanations.
Learning Objective 1, the 4 activities that constitute the management process. Management is the process of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling an organization's financial, physical, human, and information resource to achieve the organization's goal. Planning means determining what the company needs to do and how best to get it done. And organizing means determining how best to arrange a business, resources, and the necessary jobs into an overall structure. And then leading. Leading means guiding and motivating employees to meet the firm's objectives. And the last, controlling. Controlling meaning monitoring the firm's performance to ensure that it is meeting its goals. Okay.
Learning Objective 2, Types of Managers by Level and Area. Managers can be differentiated in two ways, by level and by area. By level. First, top managers set policies, formulate strategies, and approve decisions. Second, middle managers implement policies, strategies, and decisions. Third, first-line managers usually work with and supervise employees. By area, managers focus on marketing, finance, operation, human resources, and information. Managers at all levels may be found in every area of a company.
Learning Objective 3, the 5 basic of management skills. First, technical skills are needed to perform specialized tasks ranging from typing to updating. Second, human relations skills are needed to understand and get along with other people. The third, conceptual skills allow managers to think in the abstract, to diagnose and analyze various situations, and to see beyond the present circumstances. 4. Decision-making skill allow managers to define problems and to select the best course of actions. And 5. The management skills refer to managers' ability to make productive use of the time available to them.
And then learning Objective 4, the importance of goal setting and strategic management in organizational success. So setting a business goals divided 3, long-term, intermediate, and short-term. Strategic management involves setting goals, analyzing the organization and its environment, and matching strategies with the environment, which are then translated into strategic, tactical, and operational plans.
Learning Objective 5, Contingency Planning and Crisis Management in today's business world. Contingency planning tries to identify in advance the important aspect of a business or its market that might change and how the company will respond if such change actually occur. Crisis management means developing methods and action for dealing with an emergency that requires an immediate response to prepare for such emergencies. Organization develop crisis plans.
Learning Objective 6, the idea of corporate culture and why it is important. It is important to establish a company culture by sharing experience, stories, beliefs, and norms so that it can be managed effectively through communications and flexibility, thereby enabling the business to achieve its goals.
Learning Objective 1, the elements that influence a firm's organizational structure. Organizational structure varies according to a firm's missions, purpose, and strategy. Size, technology, and change in environmental circumstances also influence structure, and in general, although all organizations have the same basic elements, each develop the structure that contributes to the most efficient operations. LO2, specialization and departmentalization are building blocks of organizational structure. As a firm grows, it usually has a greater need for people to perform specialized tasks, or we call it specializations, and it also has a greater need to group types of work into logical units, or we call it departmentalizations. Common forms of departmentalizations are customer, product, process, geographic, and functional. Large business often use more than one form of departmentalizations.
LO3, responsibility and authority in different decision-making in centralized and decentralized organization. Responsibility involves duty, authority, power, delegation, accountability, and span of control. Wide spans are preferred for simple tasks, while narrower spans are preferred for diversified jobs. In a centralized organization, top management has limited decision-making authority, while decentralized organizations delegate authority to lower-level management. Line, staff, committee, and team departments make decisions.
Learning Objective 4. Differences between functional decisions, project, matrix, and international organization structures, and describe the most popular form of organization design. Functional organizations distribute authority amongst functions. Divisional organizations operate autonomously. Project organizations create project teams, and matrix structures combine divisional and functional structure. Polar organizational design include boundaryless, team, virtual, and learning organizations. Learning Objective 5. The informal organizations is different from the formal organizations. The formal organization is a part that can be represented in chart form. The informal organizations, everyday social interactions among employees that go beyond formal jobs and job interrelationship may alter formal structure. Case Chapter 6. Chanel's History, Corporate Cultures, Goals, and Strategies. Chanel began in 1909 by Gabrielle Chanel, opened at a shop at 160 Boulevard Malesherbes in Paris. In 1910, she opened her first independent millinery shop at the 21 Rue Cambon in Paris named Chanel Modes. Chanel culture. First, Chanel have the praise being a purposeful employer. Second, leadership culture by launch an active and conscious leadership journey. And 3, 100 days onboarding plan for new managers. 4, imagine Chanel program to understand and feel connected to the culture. And then the Chanel's goals aims to embody its rich heritage and modernity by catering on today's self-powered women, elevating them and following the complexities and facets. Chanel strategic. First, develop unique product design, standout name and features, and also reflect the solutions to the customer needs. The first in the industry sector to introduce worldwide price harmonizations for handbags. And the third, identify segmentation to understand the specific buying behaviors of customers. And fourth, brand equity reflects the overall brand.
Case Chapter 7, Chanel's organizational structure, type of business, organizations, and reorganizations. Chanel is a French luxury brand and a global leader in the design, development, manufacturing, and distribution of luxury goods. Organized as a global matrix structure across the 3 activities and 3 locations. The matrix structure of Chanel allows for future growth while maintaining existing operations. It enables effective management of organizations, focusing on maintaining existing products and creating innovative ones. This structure also enhances human resources flexibility by allowing them to perform multiple roles. The organizational structure of Channel is divided into three sections. The board of directors consists of three people, that is the CEO, the chairman of the board, and the director. Channel operates across multiple geographies, with local markets responsible of brand strategy, coordination, and product distribution. Reorganization Channel. In 2016, Channel sold its British subsidiary to another entity to modernize its administrative and legal structure. London has chosen to its central location, English language, and robust corporate governance regulations, making it the ideal base for the international corporations. Okay, so the conclusions of our presentation is to achieve goals, management requires planning, organizing, leadership, and managing resources. Managers are classified according to their level and area of responsibility, with the 5 core skills which are technical, human relations, conceptual, decisions making, and time management. Strategic management is needed to set goals, analyze the organization and its environment, and match them to the environment. Organizational structure vary according to goals, objectives, strategy, size and technology, and environmental factors, with functional, divisional, project, and matrix structures being the most common in organizations.
Okay, that's all our presentations. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.